All right, this week we are going to keep it winter themed and we're going to focus on symmetry. Symmetry meaning the same on both sides. And we got a fun little activity where all you'll need is a piece of paper and some scissors. All right, I got my paper and scissors here. For this assignment though, we don't want a rectangle, we want a square. And an easy way to make sure we have a square is to take one corner of our paper and fold it up until it lines up with the edge. And this will make a perfect square if we just cut along this line. So I'm going to cut along this line, unfold it, and we'll have a perfect square. Once again, right along this line here. So I cut on the line, unfold this, got a perfect square. This is going to make our snowflake look more symmetric. So I'm going to go ahead and put it like this, kind of like a rhombus. I'm going to take the bottom corner, fold it back to the top. Now we have a triangle. And then I'm going to fold it along the center, just like this. We have a smaller triangle now. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut out designs from each side of our triangle. And then when we unfold it, we'll have a perfectly symmetric snowflake. Now normally I would just cut them freehand, but I'm gonna draw some out so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I drew some funky lines here, and the cool thing about this is you can get as creative as you want, any kinds of shapes that you want. The only rule would be you want to start and finish your cuts on the same side of the triangle. If you go straight across, it's going to cause your snowflake to split and it won't unfold properly. So you want to start and end your cuts just like I started and ended my shapes on the same sides of the triangles. So I'm going to cut these out and then we'll see what it looks like. All right, I cut all my pieces out. This doesn't quite look like a snowflake and it's not symmetric yet, and that's because we have to unfold it. And as we unfold it, the snowflake begins to take its shape. And there we have it. A very cool looking funky snowflake. And if we put a line right down the middle, it would be the same on both sides. And that is symmetry. So you can make these. I like to decorate with these when it comes to the winter time. I put these in my windows and in my classroom. I'm excited to see what yours looks like, and I hope you have a great winter break.